Okay. Good morning, students. That day we were done with our topic, that is motivation and types of motivation. But again we are starting with the same topic, types of motivation and techniques of motivation. There were two types of motivation were there. That was internal and external, intrinsic or extrinsic. Internal motivation means that come from within you only. Nobody guides you to do that particular work. If it is coming with you only, that means the result will be sure. The result will be good and it will be sure for you. But external means, okay, you are playing, but to win the tournament or win the match, the crowd support or the award or reward support. Okay, if I will win, I will get such. I will get so much of money, so much of cash, or this award. So that is external motivation. So internal motivation means the motivation coming within your body that guides you to do that particular work. External means from the external sources. That is external motivation. Now, techniques of motivation. First one was that I told you, setting a daily activity schedule. Setting a daily activity schedule. What I have to do, when I have to do, and when regarding sports we are dealing. Suppose 1 year back, after 1 year the tournament is after 1 year. So for that you will go for macro cycle. Macro cycle, it is a cycle of 3 to 12 months. So you will make a cycle of you will make a macro cycle, and according to it you will go. So macro cycle, uh, tournament is within 10 days, you will go for micro cycle. According to the need you will make a cycle. So make a daily activity schedule. After that comes goal setting. What is your goal and what you want to achieve? That is goal setting. After that comes test your cons. A good coach is one who sees, okay, you are lacking there, and within after some time also you come to know that, for example, regarding studies I am going, after 10th only you came to know what subject I have to take. Who is taking commerce, he was interested more in commerce, and he knew that, okay, I am little bit weak in science. That is why you have taken commerce. Those who have taken science, they were thinking, I am weak in commerce, so I will take science. So test your cons. Don't say that, okay, don't take it negative wise, but you know what you are supposed to do. After that comes external source of motivation. External source of motivation can be spectators also. You are playing a match, a team is playing a match, and the crowd is supporting a particular individual. So that motivation is coming from the crowd. So external source of motivation. It can be friends also, it can be families also, it can be spectators, coaches, and all that. Those who are playing tournament, they know very well. Like Mehul and Dion, the coach gives the motivation. Okay, you have to do this in a particular time only. You are weak in this. He will try to overcome that your weakness, and you will be able to give the best out of it. After it comes rewards and awards. Before playing any competition, before seeing anything, suppose you are going for Olympics. That individual who is going for Olympics and all that, before that only the state or country announces that, okay, such amount of money will be given to the individual who will bring gold medal, who will bring bronze medal, or who will bring silver medal. So before the tournament only, an individual is told, okay, you will be awarded so much. So that type of motivation is working on that particular individual. That is external motivation. After that comes constant feedback and evaluation. I have told you, you are giving your test daily. You are giving test like quarterly, half yearly, and finals. Why we are taking your test? So to see where are you lacking. It gives the feedback to you also and to us also. Okay, this student is intelligent. This student is weak. How can we set the goal for him so that he passes the class? Who are weak in studies, we set the goal for him so that he can pass the class. So that is constant evaluation and feedback. After that comes motivational songs and music. You also know, okay, somebody gets the person who are running in the morning, the persons who are running in the morning, earphone on, music on, and they are motivated by the songs, and they are simply running. So that is external motivation. After that comes the last topic of this chapter, that is aggression. What is aggression? Gussa. Simple words, gussa. It is good also, it is bad also. If you are harming someone, that is bad aggression. But okay, just to make anyone afraid, so that he loses his cool, and you are able to achieve that goal. Like what you can say, a bowler who does a bowling, he will first of all, okay, there will be a heated argument, and next ball, what he will do will be bouncer. He has not harmed anyone, but his intention was to harm. So what is the definition of aggression? Any form of behavior, any form of behavior towards the goal of harming others, that is aggression. So there were few. This is psychology. In psychology, many theories have been given. In psychology, many theories have been given by great psychologists. Same way in this uh, uh, aggression, there are few theories, that is instinct theory. Instinct theory, what does it tell us? That aggression is an inbuilt behavior. Aggression is an inbuilt behavior. Nobody is telling you, okay, be aggressive and all that, but it is an inbuilt behavior. And sports act as a medium. Sports act as a medium to what to say, bring out your emotions of aggression. You might have heard, okay, this child is very hyperactive. Parents are saying, my child is very hyperactive. Hyperactive, okay, he continue running. He doesn't sit quietly for a second also. Such players, when they come to, they are very good for sports. So to bring out the aggression, to bring out that activity, uh, sports is a good way of bringing out the aggression. So according to instinct theory, it is that aggression is an inbuilt behavior. After that comes social learning theory. Social learning theory. What does it tell? Ki aggression is learned through the society. Aggression is learned through the society. I don't. You are right, because when you are seeing fighting, when you are seeing two person are fighting, after that only you came to know, okay, what is fighting. In the home, nobody fights, but after, when you are coming outside, you come to know what is fighting and all that. So aggression is from where the aggression comes, inside one individual, from the society. After seeing the individual fighting, that is aggression. After that comes frustration aggression theory. This theory tells us that aggression is a result due to the frustration that an individual is not able to achieve a target. Today, if you are not able to achieve that, regarding sports we are dealing, if you are not able to achieve, if you are not able to achieve, or not able to win the goal, win the match, what will happen? You are harming someone. So, because of the frustration, you are not able to achieve your target. So that is frustration, and because of this frustration, the aggression comes. Any doubt, Fabia? Now, types of aggression. They were theories regarding aggression. Now, types of aggression: hostile and instrumental. What is hostile aggression? I have simply two lines regarding hostile aggression. A person showing hostile behavior, it is the intention of the individual to harm the opponent. Who is showing hostile aggression? What is the intention of that individual? To harm the other person. That is the hostile aggression. After that comes instrumental. Instrumental aggression is accompanied not by anger, but with the desire to win the competition. It is not desired. It is not followed by anger, but desire to win the competition. That is instrumental. After that comes assertive behavior. Assertive behavior is not type of aggression. It is behavior only. So, what is the meaning of aggression? Any form of behavior towards the goal of harming. other person is known as behavior, is known as aggression. Now, types of theories regarding aggression is instinct theory, social learning theory, and frustration aggression theory. So these were the three theories given by great psychologists. Okay, Dion, understood? So we are done with that. We are done with the topic of motivation, types of motivation. What is motivation? Any will to do something or motive protsahan. Protsahan is simple word of motivation. Protsahan in Hindi, right, Nachiketa? So will to desire to do something, that is motivation. And what types of motivation? Internal and external, or intrinsic or extrinsic. That is type of motivation. Techniques of motivation. It can, I give you an example. What are the techniques of motivation? That is making a daily activity schedule. After that comes what goal you want to achieve. That is goal setting. After that comes test your cons, what you cannot do, and try to overcome it. That is test your cons. After that comes external source of motivation, award and reward, and and one was constant feedback and evaluation. These are the these are the techniques of motivation, awards and rewards. Okay, Dion. So now we are done with this chapter. So we will be starting with our new chapter. In our next class, we will be starting our new chapter, that is training in sports training. In which different topics are there: endurance, flexibility, and all that. What is endurance? In class 11th also I have told you, endurance is the capacity of an individual to do the work under the condition of tiredness or fatigue. थकावट होने के बावजूद भी आप काम करते रहो, दैट इज एंडोरेंस. व्हाट इज स्पीड? ability of an individual to cover the maximum distance in minimum of time, that is speed. Flexibility, range of motion of a joint. Range of motion of a joint. Suppose shoulder joint, how much it can rotate, that is known as flexibility of that particular joint. After that comes agility. Different methods are there to improve particular component. Endurance, how you can improve endurance? You can say, okay, by running, but how much running? That is important. Continuous method, interval method, fartlek method. There are different types of method in that chapter that we will be doing. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.